A very good morning to all dear parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar, class Junior KG, subject English. Today we will do the revision of cursive letters. आज हम क्या करेंगे children? Alphabets का revision करेंगे. Now take out your pencil and eraser and hold your pencil like this. आपको pencil कैसे पकड़नी है children? Like this. Now tell me the first letter of alphabet. Alphabet का first letter क्या होता है children? A. Very good. A for apple. Now see here, draw with me a slanting line, one more slanting line and a loop between these lines. A for apple. Speak with me. The spelling of apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Now the next letter is B. B for ball. Speak with me. The spelling of ball, B-A-L-L. Ball. Now tell me the next letter. C. Curve, semicircle and stop here. C for cat. C-A-T, cat. Now the next letter is D. Slanting line, loop, semicircle and stop here. D. D for duck. D-U-C-K, duck. Now the next letter is E. See here, curve, semicircle, one more semicircle and stop here. E. E for elephant. Speak with me. The spelling of elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now tell me the next letter. F. F for fish. See here, curve, slanting line, sleeping line. F for fish. The spelling of fish, F-I-S-H. Fish. Now tell me the next letter. G. G for grapes. See here, curve, semicircle, slanting line, curved line. G for grapes. The spelling of grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Now tell me the next letter. H. H for house. Slanting line, loop. H for house. The spelling of house, speak with me, H-O-U-S-E. House. Now tell me the next letter. I. Curve, slanting line, curve. I for igloo. The spelling of igloo, I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. Now tell me the next letter. J. J for joker. See here, J for joker. What is the spelling of joker? Speak with me. J-O-K-E-R. Joker. Now tell me the next letter. K. K for kite. See here, curve, slanting line, curve. Curve line, loop, curve line. K for kite. The spelling of kite, speak with me, K-I-T-E, kite. Now tell me the next letter. L. Curve, loop, slanting line, loop, curve line. L for lion. The spelling of lion is L-I-O-N. Lion. Now tell me the next letter. M. See here, slanting line, slanting line, slanting line, one more slanting line. M for monkey. The spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Now the next letter is N. Slanting line, slanting line, slanting line. N for nest. The spelling of nest, N-E-S-T. Nest. Now N for nest के बाद क्या आता है children? O. O for owl. The spelling of owl is O-W-L. Owl. Now the next letter is P. P for peacock. See here, slanting line, semicircle, stop here. P for peacock. The spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now the next letter is Q. Curve, again curve, loop, curve line. Q for queen. The spelling of queen is, speak with me, Queen, queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. Speak with me. The spelling of rabbit is Rabbit, rabbit. Now the letter next is S. S for seller, S for seller. The spelling of seller is Sailor, seller. Now the next letter is T. T for tap, T for tap. The spelling of tap is TAP, tap. Now come on the next letter. T for tap के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? U. U for umbrella. See here. Very good. U for umbrella. Now the next letter is W. Sorry, V. U for umbrella. V. V for van. V for van. The spelling of van is VAN, van. The next letter is W. See here. W for watch. The spelling of watch is WATCH, watch. W for watch के बाद next letter क्या आता है children? X. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Now see here and draw with me. Put your pencil on the red line. Draw a semicircle from red line to the second blue line. Very good. Again draw with me. Semicircle from red line to the second blue line. 2 semicircles बनाने हैं children आपको from red line to the second blue line. X for Xmas tree. One more time. Draw with me. X for Xmas tree. You have to speak with me also. X for Xmas tree. Very good. One more time. X for Xmas tree. Now speak with me. The spelling of Xmas tree. X MAS TREE. Xmas tree. Again speak with me. X for Xmas tree. Very good. Now what you have to do in homework, you have to practice the cursive letter and then click a picture of it and send it to the school WhatsApp number. आपको क्या करना है चिल्ड्रन? अल्फ़ाबेट्स का रिविजन करना है, देन आपको पिक क्लिक करके स्कूल व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर सेंड करना है. दिस इज़ योर होमवर्क. टिल देन टेक केयर एंड कीप स्टडिंग.